kubwa lakini check 1 2 1 2. This is Maka Mugenda back, guys. Right now I'm back in Diani. Good evening, it's Maka with the music called Nyatiti. Check 1 2. There's Maka. Yeah, guys, how you doing? How you feeling? Yeah, this is a very nice evening, guys. Genda, then it's called Nyatiti right now. Start swimming along the beach. Yeah, vibing with you. Just keep on watching. It's a very nice evening. Hello. Hello, bro. Hello, Maka. My name is Maka. I'm a YouTube channel. Follow YouTube, subscribe, watch. It's called Maka Mugenda. Okay. I say my name is Maka Mugenda. I'm a musician. I'm a YouTube channel. So just if you're online, follow YouTube, subscribe, watch. Maka Mugenda. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. It's a very nice evening walk along the beach. Yeah, the artist is called Maka Mugenda. Guys, wow, welcome back. Yeah, I'm right here in Diani, guys. I have been away for a long period. I traveled to Kisumu, but right now I'm back in Diani, guys. Just try vibing with you. Really nice music. Show you how the vibe is, how the beautiful is the beach, guys. But also remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep on watching. It's a nice stream that we do every day. Maka Mugenda. Yeah, right now have some few minutes. Just keep on watching. Yeah, I see there's a lot of guys watching from TikTok, Facebook, and other social media platforms. Yeah, just keep on watching. Yeah. I don't know what's happening. I don't really understand what's happening. Guys, keep on watching. Keep on watching this, how the animal is today. Yeah, I'm just giving you a vibe along the beach. Just keep on watching. I don't know if you are not hearing me. I'm getting a main reason. I don't know why you are getting in the vibe, and still, after getting the vibe, you are still moving away. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening, guys. Keep on watching. My name is Maka Mugenda. Maka Jatong. If you are paying me, nigga, I'm gonna do that, nigga. If you don't pay, I'm gonna tell you. Siwezi fanya hiyo bwana. Siwezi fanya hiyo bwana. Siwezi fanya hiyo. Who does that? Man, who does that? Nobody's capable of doing that, man. problem. It's tricky. If you move for a while, yeah, big challenge. Bringing back the followers. Bring back the followers. Yeah, bring back the watcher. Those who are watching, bringing them back. It's getting hard. More hard, guys. Yeah. I'm really happy to see you watching. Just continue watching, guys. Remember, my name is Maka Mugenda. Right now, I'm in the beach, guys. Just vibing with you. Keep on watching, please. Remember to put down your comment. This is a session, yeah. Right now, I've come back from Lakeside. Yeah. Now from Lakeside, guys. Keep on watching. It's a very nice evening. Don't fuck up with it. Just be consistent in what you're doing, guys. This is how life is. This is all about life. Keep on watching, guys. My followers. Nice to meet you back. Hey, Omera. Put down your comment. This is Maka Mugenda. I'm back in Diani, guys. I traveled today. Right now, I'm back in Diani. I was in Siaya, guys. Keep on watching. Yeah, you see how Diani is. This is how Diani is, guys. Very nice. Very nice. Jumbo. Yeah, you see some Joro Cherry. Passing. Dora Joro Cherry. Where are you going? Where are you going and where are you going to? If you are going but you don't know where you are heading to, Mera, you are doing a big mistake, Mera. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. Put down your comment, guys. Don't leave the session without saying anything. It's a very nice evening vibe. It's a very nice evening vibe. Of which after this I'll be playing for you some music. As you know, I normally do it. Guys, without music, no entertainment, man. Guys, put down your comment, guys. It's Maka Mugenda live on YouTube, guys. Just keep on watching. Put down your comment. Right, I'm back in full swing with some new melody, some new vibes. Yeah, and I remain with a few minutes to leave this session of just walking, show you how the Dolphins beach, show you how the vibe is. Keep on watching. Put down your comment, guys. Tell me how you are feeling, how you are vibing, nigga. Keep on watching how it is every day, guys. Keep on watching. Man, hey, this is how we do it. And this is our weak point, man. This is our weak point, man. It's just about music. Bringing happy today. Give you the ambience. Congo River. Yeah, for those who are watching from Germany, say Guten Tag. Yeah. And for those who are in France, you say bonjour. How you doing? Keep on watching. Put down your comment. It's Maka Mugenda live streaming in Diani Beach with some music, authentic origin from Sumida. Yeah. Also remember, few minutes time, I'll be giving you a vibe also. I just have to introduce for you some vibes so that you can enjoy with me. Yeah. Few minutes time, you'll see there's a beautiful lady just walking along. Solo nigga. Ask you kama yeye ni solo right. Yeah, just watching. We're just asking subscribers. Along the beach. Give it a beach. You see, keep on watching. Hello. Jumbo. Hello. Hi, how are you? My name is Maka. Follow YouTube, subscribe, watch. Yeah. kamera kawati imeboina topele kiyo yote ni kama topele. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. Right now I'm just want to move the other side of beach. Other side. When I say other side, I mean the other side. Yeah. So today I don't know where my viewers wameenda bwana. Those who are watching, our population is very low, man. Keep on watching, guys. Put down your comment, Omera. I don't see comments. I don't know what's happening, Omera. Just put down your comment. It's Maka Mugenda. Just vibing with you along the beach. Don't mind what people say, nigga. Just concentrating in what we are doing. Yeah. Remember, it's Maka with MAKA Mugenda. Right now, even if you see the other side of the beach, let me show you how it is. You better see. If you see, there's a side called, other side we call it Congo River. The other side is called Congo River. And right now it's drying up. You see, it's drying up. So that means here in Kenya, not even in Kenya, there's a lot of drought right now. Yeah. But guys, remember, you have few minutes to start playing the instrument. Give your vibe of the instrument, guys. You know that's how I do it every day. Yeah, but I have been away for some weeks, and now I'm really happy because I'm back. I'm back in full swing. Yeah, we just chase what is right. We don't chase what is not right, guys. Keep on watching. This is how things goes. Yeah. In Diani Baba. Wanauliza tulilela wapi? Ama tumepotea wapi? See me like that, guys. It's Maka. Let's keep on watching. These are all the places today. I'm really happy to see you watching this Diani. You see how the beautiful is the beach. This is the view. I wanna call it beach view. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, guys, keep on watching. Keep on watcha. Inu watcha. Vera, Okoyote. Guys, keep on watching. It's Maka. I remain with around 2 minutes to start Nyatiti vibe. You know, Nyatiti is a music, bro. Without music, no peace at all. Won't get peace of Vera. Yeah, so right now I just want to start the vibe because I'm almost reaching where I normally do it. So there's no more question to ask such kind of. You ask such kind of activity. There's no time for that. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. My name is Maka Mugenda. Put down your comment. Tell me how you're getting the vibe. If you are enjoying the vibes, we're gonna say thank you, El Camano. Yeah, you see me, I have your instrument. But I just don't walk without music. As I said before, it's now time to start. Yeah, you know, you see, I have already stand. Today even the wave is not very bad at all. Wave line is not very bad. So I just want to start with the bongo bless me. Bongo! Yeah, we call it a bongo bless me. The kind of song I just want to start with. Can you watch my bed? Great you. Hello Daniel, how are you? I'm really sorry, bro. I travel to Kisumu, bwana. So by the time I travel, that's the point where you miss my streaming. Whoa! Oh, yo, yo. Are you getting that vibe? Oh, bless me, bless me, bless me. Oh, bless me, bless me, bless me. Yeah. Apanga bolori chopongo chunya. Sigomane buta. Yeah. Now the water kayoke pinye kato lagdare runda. Na lagdare runda ga. Na lagdare runda ga. Yeah. Amene pinya yogi goza chungu mala chamwa chunganya chumai. Are you getting that vibe, guys? Hello Daniel, keep on watching. Just put down your comment after this. Yeah. Jumbo. How are you doing? Yelele mama wololo, yelele mama wololo. Baba, bongo ya, yeah. Bongo, bongo ya, bongo, yeah. Bongo ya. Nikala juru jere, yeah. Nikala juru jere. Apanga ebolori chopongo chunya. Yeah, Daniel, I'm really sorry. You know, by the time you miss the streaming, bro, you miss a very nice. Yeah? Yeah, I'm near the water, bro. Yeah. Yeah, you want to see water? Yeah, I'll just give you the vibe of water also. Just keep on watching, guys, don't move. You see? That's how water is, guys. Yeah, you see, that's the water. I'm in the beach. Yeah, for those who are asking question about water, I'm in the beach. Keep on watching. It's Maka Mugenda. Yeah, Daniel, I think you have already see how it is. Yeah, that's water. That one we call it is a Congo River. Yeah, Congo with C, not K. Yeah, here in Diani beach. Congo, not Congo. Yeah. Mustafa Mwapea, how are you? How are you? Mwapea, how are you? Tell me, bro. How are you doing? Yeah, I'm in Congo. Congo with K, not C. Yeah, by the time you call it Congo with K, hapo umeharibu. Okay, let me continue the song called Bongo. Bongo means God. Yelele mama wololo, yelele mama wololo. Yo chenga timina dobo. La chama timina dobo. Sikulu kuma aini okumba. Bongo means God. Yokuma aini okumba. Ya baba kuma aini okumba. Yokuma bere baba aini okumba. Yokuma die baba aini okumba. Obongo. Obongo. Ay. Obongo. Yeah. Obongo. Obongo. Bye-bye. Yeah. Obongo bless me. Obongo bless me. Obongo bless me. Obongo bless me. Yeah. Obongo bless Diani. Obongo bless Daniela. Bless Mustafa. Hey. Obongo karajuru jere. Aberi pinya yuwa wikoza chungu mala chamwe kaya yuk maido. Yeah, maido. Baru ya manis. Baru ya manis. Naga kakasigana. Naga kakasigana. No pile kanya saya runda na manyotunglo. No pile kanya saya la na manyotunglo. Asando rangi mama beti. Daniel, I'm here. I'm not moving. I'm not moving. Bongo bless me. Bongo yeah. Yeah, in a Jongure. Where should I go? Where can I go? Obongo. Yelele mama wololo, yelele mama wololo. Yo chenga timina dobo. Achama timina dobo. Sikulu kuma aini okumba. Yokuma die mama ini okumba. Yokuma bete baba ini okumba. Obongo. Obongo. Yeah. Obongo. Yeah, the song is called Obongo. Obongo means God. Yeah. wale wale, oh, kuna wale wale wale, oh, bendi winja, yeah, kuna wale wale wale, oh. Yeah, for those who are watching, the song is called Wale Wale. Yeah. Kuna wale wale wale. Oh. Yeah. This song is a special song for those who are watching, and also for beautiful faces. Yeah. The song is called Wale Wale. Ora, 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 ayu, alo, ora, ora, yeah, ora, ora. Yeah, this is a special song for Diana. So by the time you have a beautiful lady by the name Diana, yeah, you can sing, you can play for him this song. Oh, Diana, oh, Diana, oh, Diana. Yeah, are you getting that, Daniela? Oh, Diana, oh, Diana. Yeah, by the time you are watching, also remember to put down your, please, put down your comment. Oh, yeah. I gonna sing, I gonna bang bang, I gonna sing to Diana. Yeah. I gonna sing, I gonna bang bang, I gonna sing to Diana. Oh, Diana, oh, Diana, yeah. Yeah, if you like music, you better dance. Without dancing, it's nothing, bro. You have to enjoy by the time you're enjoying the vibe. Yeah, you're dancing with the live stream. Oh, Diana. Oh, that night. Yeah. Remember the instrument is called nyatiti. Yeah, this is an old instrument. Yeah, from western part of Kenya. Oh, that night. Oh, that night. Oh, that night. Yeah. I gonna sing, I gonna bang bang, I gonna sing to Diana. I gonna sing, I gonna bang bang, I gonna sing to Diana. Yeah. Yonyolora mokikawi, anaseo kabiro. Yeah. Utange ubonyamara. Ola nae. Ola nae. Yeah. Yeah. Daniel, are you getting that thing? Mustafa, are you getting the vibe? Yeah, put down your comments. Also, if you want me, if you have a request, I can also serenade you, yeah, with some music. You know that it is about serenation, but serenation. Yonyolora mokikawi, anaseo kabiro. Anaseo kabiro. Anaseo kabiro. Aseo Kabiro. Yeah. Ora night, ora night, yeah. Victoria, Victoria, oh Victoria, oh Victoria, Victoria, my number one, my number one, my number one. Karite, yeah, hello, Karite, wano wachamo katangege, Karite, Karite, Karite wachamo mumi, yeah. Yeah, keep on watching guys. It's Maka Mugenda. Let me, I want to face the direction of the sun so we can continue the vibe. Also remember to put down a lot of comment as possible. Yeah, we just continue the vibe. I think everything is okay. I'm getting the vibe, nigga. Yeah, the guys called Maka Mugenda. Keep on watching guys, for those who are watching. Yeah, the song is called Victoria, Victoria, Victoria. I also composed this song for a beautiful lady by the name of Diana. Yeah, Diana. Oh man. I don't know why. People tumeanza kuleta sira. Yeah, there's a big vibe guys. Keep on watching. Yeah. Few minutes guys, keep on watching. Don't go, don't move. 1 minute. Right now, back guys. Yeah, 1 minute. I'm still tuning the instrument, guys. Yeah, guys, right now I'm back. day performance somewhere. I have to tune the instrument first. Just don't go down. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. Yeah, guys, keep on watching, guys. I'm really sorry for the interruption. Just continue watching. Yeah, continue watching. Keep on watching his marker. I'm still now moving right now. I just want a place where I can get a good network because I have a lot of problem with network. Yeah, just keep on watching. Also, we have a sunset. Can also watch the sunset. Yeah, they also have a vibe with the sunset vibe. It's most famous here in Diani beach. Yeah, that vibe. That guys, keep on watching. Right now, I'm giving you a sunset vibe. Yeah, this is how sunset is in Diani beach, guys. These are very nice. Remember, it's Maka Mugenda. Don't move the session, guys. I'm just trying to get a place where I can do these things. I can enjoy with you. Yeah, I see some beautiful cherry. I see some white, so I just want to talk to them before they move. Now they are just moving. They're moving, going. Yeah. For you. Now you can continue watching. Go watch. See how the beautiful is the beach, guys. The beach, my friend. Ona matata here. No nyatiti. Yeah, you see. It's a very nice place. Give you a vibe, call it sunset vibe, so you know you will be enjoying watching. Yeah, some points you have to get some unique things. You're getting that sunset. For those who are watching, guys, now see how the sunset is. That is a vibe. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. It's Maka Mugenda. That's a sunset vibe, guys. I'm here in Diani. Are you enjoying the vibe? Yeah. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. That's a sunset vibe, guys. Well, the main reason why I'm doing this, just see how beautiful is the sunset. Yeah, guys, that's a sunset. Just keep on watching. That's sunset vibe, guys. Yeah, remember it's Maka Mugenda. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. There's a lot of problem with the network, guys. For those who are watching, I don't know what's happening. Yeah. Mayo. Yeah, keep on watching. Let me give you the vibe, guys. By the time you are watching this thing, I have to give you the vibe, the vibe, where you can watch it very clean. I'm just trying to see where I can give you the vibe. As you see, there's some Kuro cherry here. They're here for this sunset vibe. Yeah, guys, just keep on watching. Don't move the session. It's Maka Mugenda. I'm coming with the vibe. Yeah, don't move, don't go away. Don't go away, guys. Someone's there. Nigga here. Just that vibe. You see them. Also, you see the other side. Yeah, there's a sunset session, guys. Keep on watching. Hello, Jambo. How are you? My name is Maka.
Yes, I have a subscribe you.
Oh, you have subscribed? And you?
Yes.
Can I play for you something?
Yeah.
Can I play for you? Thank you, guys. Keep on watching. Yeah, we are just still pushing the vibe, guys. Keep on watching. Yeah. Just don't move away. Don't go away, guys. Just still move, vibing. Yeah, for today. Hey. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. Right now is the sunset. Mine is just to give you right now sunset in Diani beach, guys. Yeah, you can watch sunset, how it's going, how now sun is going. And remember also there's a lot of tourists who just came here to see how the beautiful is the beach, and also how the vibe is. Yeah, but today, yeah, you'll see, guys. Keep on watching. Yeah, this for today vibe. This is a sunset, so it doesn't matter where you are. Just keep on watching the sunset. Yeah. This is a very special thing. sunset, guys. Yeah, that's the sunset, guys. Keep on watching Maka Mugenda. Fight with you in the sunset session, guys. That is evening. It's a very unique vibe. Guys, what I want, I don't think if I can get it from that point. Yeah, guys, this is a sunset section. Yeah, right now sun is going. It's a very special thing we have to see. Those are watching. That's how sunset is moving. That's how sun is going, guys. That's how it is going now. Yeah, we want to say goodbye. Goodbye. Garabe, coño, gana. I already decided to follow seaside. I already decided to follow seaside. Yeah. Garabe, 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 ñaco, garabe, garabe, coño, ganja. I have decided to follow seaside. I have decided to follow seaside. Yeah. 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 Garabe, 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 coño, gana. Mayo. Ini coño choluo. Yeah. Yeah, guys, that's how sunset is. Right now, I just want to go back to vibe now. I want to start another vibe. I think it will be better for me because this one is now boring.